Love was in the air last Saturday with Gully Bop and his current girlfriend Amari. After a roadshow in Spanish Town, the rap caught the lovers creating a public spectacle with hugs and kisses in front of adoring fans.
New life, new wife. What you say?
This was a major shocker to see after disgruntled Amari came to the rap earlier this week, publicly ending her relationship with Bop and airing out some dirty laundry.
Just like we know he's from the gully, he's a slum bag. He having one teeth, he gives a worse bite than a mosquito.
So you might be wondering, why the sudden change of heart? Well, our assumption is that it could only be because of this.
I must admit that he definitely knows how to eat meat with one tooth.
Gully Bop's one tooth is our only reason to believe that Amari is sticking through the trials and tribulations of the troublesome artist. She repeated the same thing again when she was asked at the roadshow.
I gotta be honest with you, a lot of you guys out here, I know you have like 32 teeth, but right now I need Bop to get rid of even this one because he's the greatest love ever.
So here's Amari's advice to men who wants to improve their love life.
And my advice to men out there, just get rid of your 31 teeth and leave yourself with one.
This probably could explain why Bop's dental reconstruction surgery is delayed.